All right, let's talk about AI in your business. And I bet you're thinking about marketing or sales, right? Well, what if I told you that AI's biggest impact, the real game changer, is happening somewhere you might not expect, in your finance and accounting department? Yeah, that's right. We're going to dive into how you can use AI to make way better decisions, save a ton of time, and seriously boost your bottom line.
I mean, when you hear AI for business, your mind probably jumps straight to chatbots, right? Or maybe some slick marketing automation. And hey, those are awesome tools, don't get me wrong, but that's just scratching the surface.
Believe it or not, the real powerhouse for AI in your company is probably hiding in plain sight, right there in your accounting department. And you might be asking, why there? Well, think about it. Finance is an absolute goldmine of data. You've got years and years of transactions, super clear rules, and the results are easy to measure. It's literally the perfect playground for an AI to get to work.
Okay, so here's what we've got on tap. We'll look at AI's secret weapon in finance, how it solves 3 huge problems. I'll give you a toolkit you can actually use. We'll talk about how to avoid some costly mistakes. And finally, how to measure the all-important ROI.
So let's jump right in. What is this secret weapon I'm talking about? Well, it's really AI's incredible ability to tackle those nagging, persistent problems, the ones that keep pretty much every business owner up at night thinking about their finances. And let's be real, these are going to sound familiar. First up, inaccurate forecasting. It feels more like a shot in the dark than a real plan, right? Then there's the soul-crushing manual work. Your team is just buried under a mountain of data entry. And finally, fraud detection. So often, you only find out something's wrong months later, when the damage is already done.
Okay, but here's the good news. For each of those headaches, AI has a really powerful solution. Let's break them down, one by one, starting with that pesky forecasting.
You know the drill with traditional forecasting. You look at last year's numbers, say, hey, we grew 20%, and just kind of pencil that in for next year. But AI, it's a completely different ballgame. It doesn't just look at one number. It digs deep into all your data to understand things like seasonality, the real impact of that new marketing campaign, and it can even factor in what's happening in the wider economy. And the result? It's huge. We're talking about a 15 to 30% jump in how accurate your forecasts are. Now, to put that in perspective, if you're a $10 million company, even a tiny 5% improvement could be the difference between confidently hiring new people or having to make those really tough decisions about layoffs. That's a big deal. All right, next up, let's tackle that mountain of paperwork. Just think about every single invoice that comes through your door. An AI can read it just like a person would. It automatically grabs the vendor name, the amount, the due date. It categorizes the expense for you, and it can even flag anything that just doesn't look quite right. And the jump in efficiency here is it's incredible. Suddenly, your team can process 2, even 3 times the number of invoices without adding a single new person to the payroll. Imagine what they could do with all that freed up time, focusing on strategy, analysis, the stuff that really moves the needle.
And number 3, fraud. So instead of finding some sketchy transaction months down the line during a painful audit, AI is like having a digital watchdog on duty 24/7. It learns the normal rhythm of your business, your typical transaction patterns, and the second something deviates from that, say an invoice from a vendor you always pay is suddenly 10 times bigger, bam, it gets flagged in real time.
The result? Well, you end up catching 20 to 40% more fraudulent activity than you would with just manual reviews. That is a serious shield protecting your company's cash.
Okay, so we've covered the big problems and how AI solves them. Now let's get super practical. I'm going to give you a toolkit that puts it all together so you can figure out exactly where to get started.
Think of this as your AI finance cheat sheet. It breaks down the 4 key tools. You can see exactly what data you need to get started, how quickly you could expect to see value, and we're talking weeks here, not months or years, and the kind of impact you can realistically expect. Like, look at expense automation. All you need is about 100 invoices to train it, and in just a few weeks, you could be automating up to 80% of that manual data entry. That's fast. Okay, but having the right tools is only half the battle, right? Using them correctly is the other half. So let's talk about how to actually roll these systems out successfully, and more importantly, how to avoid some really common and really expensive mistakes. Just remember these 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, you always keep a human in the loop. We'll get more into that. Rule 2, clean your data first. You've heard it a million times. Garbage in, garbage out. It's never been more true. And third, remember that AI is a super powerful tool, but it's not a magic wand.
It's just one important layer in your financial defenses.
And here's the absolute bottom line, especially when it comes to finance. You have to be able to explain every single decision. For compliance, for audits, for everything. That means any decision an AI makes has to be traceable, and a human has to be able to review it. So start slow. Let the AI be a helpful assistant, making suggestions. Only after you've built up trust and you're confident in the results do you let it start taking on more responsibility.
Okay, this all sounds pretty good, but how do you actually know if it's working? Let's bring this all home and focus on the question that every business owner cares about most. What's my return on investment? What's the ROI?
You know, the best thing about using AI in finance is that the ROI is crystal clear. It's not some fuzzy, hard-to-pin-down metric. You can literally measure the gap between what you forecasted and what actually happened. You can count the exact hours your team saves every single week. You can put a precise dollar amount on the fraud you prevented. These aren't vague benefits, they're cold, hard numbers that prove the value of your investment, plain and simple.
Look, if there's just one thing you take away from all of this, please let it be this. The goal here is not to replace your talented finance team. It's about giving them superpowers. It's about building AI as a decision support system that makes them better, that enhances their human judgment. That is the real key to success.
So, I'll just leave you with this one question to chew on. As you think about your own business, all the forecasting, the expense management, the fraud detection, what is the very first task you're going to empower with AI? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.